Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls, they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life.
Day, my loves. Oh my god, I look so crusty right now. I need to go home and wash my hair, but I haven't vlogged in so long. Well, not that long, but long enough. Hold on, let me see if this light's gonna go. Anyways, but yeah, I just made it to Woodbridge. I am going to pick up my mom's birthday gift because it's mommy's birthday tomorrow. Even though she's so damn miserable, I come so far to come buy my mother what she wants. I may never get to get it for her for Mother's Day, so I'm gonna get it for her now. Yeah, goodie. I'm the best daughter ever because I'm the favorite. Okay, so here's LCBO, but I still don't see the beer store. But anyways, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go do right now. And then I have like this plan to like go home and like, oh, I'm just gonna make it so wonderfulation because I am the best. So I just thought that I'd pull out the camera just so that I don't go home and it's like, hey, what is she doing type thing. You guys are gonna actually like see it happen or whatever. And then I gotta figure out how the hell my ass is getting home because I don't have any cash on me. I think I have like $3. Everything else is debit. Oh no, Walmart's not here. Walmart's all the way down here. So I could have got cash back, but there's no Walmart here to get cash back from. Oh, the beer store. I see it now. Okay, I'm in the right place. Ross. Look, Ross. But let me figure out where the hell the store is that I'm trying to go to. And then I'll come back to you guys. Okay. So guys, I just got home. I am going to I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna come back and then I'm going to start doing what I'm gonna be doing. So mommy giving her this bag, yeah. And then just show y'all really quickly what I got. I got her this really cute bag. It says just for you because it's just for her. She used to love red, but now apparently she loves green, so I guess she loves Christmas. But I got her some green wrapping paper. And then what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna try to decorate the house. I bought this banner, so I'm thinking maybe I'll put the banner here so right when she comes into the house tonight, because she normally comes home like after, I don't really want to talk my mother business, but by the time she come home, by the time my mom comes home, it's already her birthday tonight. So I'm gonna put up this banner. I think I'm gonna put it here because I don't think it will fit here unless I close like the door and then put it there. And then I bought these things, so I'm just gonna hang them up like shit. I can't even do it over here because I can't do it because over here has it's the thing wall, like the rough one. It's not smooth, but I can try a thing and hang these up that say happy birthday. And then I have like a shitload of, oh my god, and I have so much more balloons from like previous like events and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put these and then fling them like on the floor and stuff like that, so when she comes home it's like, Patata, happy birthday mom, because I'll be sleeping and then when I wake up she's sleeping and then when I come home she's not here and then I don't see her till like Saturday, whatever. But this is the card that I bought her. I think it's so sweet. Like I really do honestly think like the card is super sweet. So let me just quickly read it. So it says, when do I need you, mom? I know you guys can read, but let me read it to you, okay? So it says, let me tell y'all something about my mom, okay? Let me tell you something about me and my mom. Me and my mom, like, we're the same. Like, we're one. Like, we're the same person. So, like, we really kick off. Like, even right now, like, we're not speaking because, like, my mom is just my mom. And I have a hard time coming to terms with the fact that that's my mom. And, like, she's at the age now where, like, she's not changing. So, like, I need to come to terms with it. But because we're so much alike, like, I really can't, like, take the naga in my ears or, like, I'm grown now, so it's harder to be in this situation. But like, that's one of the reasons why I moved out in the first place, because we just can't live together. But anyways, yeah, like, she's very miserable. I'm miserable too, but I'm not as miserable as her, and I don't let all the things that bother her like bother me. So like, we just cannot agree. Like, we can't agree. But I love my mother to death. Like, there's absolutely nothing that I would not do for my mom. Even when she upsets me and pisses me off, like, I would still go to the end of the world like I did today just to get this item, because that's the only store, like, out of all the locations that actually still have that, the plus size section, where, well, the curvy section, that I can actually get her size clothes from. So I went there and got this because this is something that she wanted. I just pray to God that it fits her. So yeah, I did that for my mommy, and like, I appreciate her so much, because like, just like all the time, like, I can count on my mom for anything. Like, I legit can count on my mom for anything. And like, she did not have to put me in here. She could have been like, girl, you left, you need to figure it out. But it's not even like that. The lady gave me her bed, like, everything. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love my mom. Like, me love my mama straight to me aunt. My wouldn't dare hurt nor yeah, I wouldn't dare hurt to movie big up yourself anyway. And I love him, war without end. Go there. So yeah, back to the card. It says, when there's something wrong, I need to talk through. When life is great, hard, or just ho-hum. When something finally happens that I know you'll appreciate. When something funny happens that I know you'll appreciate. When I'm in a remember when kind of mood. When do I need you, mom? Always. I love you so much. Have a beautiful birthday. Like, she's gonna cry. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I hope you guys can see me properly. I'm sorry if the I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna start by hanging up the banner. Where's the tape? And don't mind how I look, okay? I just washed my hair. This is a big banner. Make it. Okay. Hey. Oh, bringing me up the balloons. Oh, you touch me so good, B. Let me know your energy.
That you just know one, another soul is broken. It's always kind of funny how you find out how they're coping. So he asked me how I'm coping, and I asked him if he noticed. I said, listen boy, I'm focused. I said, me I drink pine and ginger, and my myth and wine pan a thing. I'm gonna play it at me I drink pine and ginger.
Done. All right, so the banner's up. Cute. So when she'll come in, first thing she'll see is this. And then now let me figure out how I can hang this shit. Aye. Boy, wine and where your man, baby. I love the way you grind. You know me love it when me take, you know, my padlock mine. Your cocky prince out of where. All right, so those are up. Yeah, so now I just gotta blow the balloons and make a floor out of it. So yeah. Oi. Hey, fili bakas this again. Just steer it, this one. We are give problem.
Breakfast in bed, darling. I got your bed falling. I make you bed for you. I make you bed for you. Breakfast in bed, darling. I got your bed falling. I made mistakes, you done me wrong, but now you leave me calling.
So guys, the floor. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is the floor. Talk true. That's the living room floor. So yeah, I'm done. I'm going to, I can't flat iron my hair tonight because it's not dry. Well, I'm gonna see if I can blow dry it and then flat iron it and get myself ready for bed. I'm gonna share out my lunch and go to my bed. I will let you guys know how mommy reacted. I just gotta write up her card now and put it in her thing. And yeah, so I will see you guys later. Bye.